Alright guys, how's it going? Alright, we got some drains here. That's from the roof. That's from the roof. Full of dirt, rocks, roots, and we cut off an access over there. We're gonna move it over. Basically, we're gonna go try to use the flex shaft over here to see how we can get through here and clean this out nice and beautiful, even though it has to be cleaned out in years and years and years. There we go. Get her in. Start spinning from here. You want to get the water on? No, keep it on. Keep it open. Keep it spinning. Watch the radius behind you. There you go. Nice. Water's coming up. It means things are moving. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Haha. It's right at the T. We just passed it. Take it slow. You're probably at the roots. Here we go. That's glorious. Oh man, that's making me hungry. Oh, you're out. Yoni, you're out. Amazing. All right. Let's get some water running and do it again. Here we go. That's glorious. Oh man, that's making me hungry. Oh, you're out. Yoni, you're out. Amazing. All right. Let's get some water running and do it again. All right, now we're running with some water in here. Just a simple garden hose. We just got a simple garden hose in there. Now we're running it together. Back and forth, flushing this line out right now. Look at that. Beauty. Don't get too close. Oh nice, got a catch. Pulling some nice fresh roots out there. How's it smell?
Like, what are the alfalfa sprouts?
Oh!
Take this home.
I know what we're putting in our salad today.